I'm Angel Talukdar. I want to one more. I show the video slip. See, here have to 0 marking point. Right. The 0 marking point and follow the here also up to 0 marking point. Now I put the disc stage bowl inside with also distributor. This disc stage inside have to distributor. See, now I put the thread here, oil. See, here up to this stage. Now killing the bowl top part. See, here also up to 0 marking point. This stage distributor have to 0 marking point. The 0 marking point and 0 marking point same to same point setting, and she say I also now want to camera see 0 to 0. Now I put the bulb top part. See how to write the disc stage. This tools is a special tools, and put the eye bolt. This eye bolt tighten. Then I want to write the spanner size 30. This nut size also 30. See, no need to 2 man. 1 man enough. The possible the box of an assembly design will be separated easily can possible, because these tools give the support. See, this stage fully can possible tight very easily. See, no need to hammering. Without hammering can possible the separator box of assembly and disassembly. I show everybody see. See, I put the separator designer and assembly tools modification. See, now I want to hand tight only for the bulb tightness used by the special tools. Zero coming or not coming check. Now one more need to this stage, right? See, now 0 marking point coming already. No need to hammering, no need to too much manpower, no need to problem make. See, very easily now remove the modification special tools. Now I want to check again.